Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Ola's World. It's your girl Maniola here with another video for you guys today. So I have my quick apartment tour video for you guys today, and I'm just going to be showing you guys basically where I've lived for the past year and a half. And this is considered student housing only because the University of Maryland students are the only ones that can live here, but I get to live here year round, so I've lived here for a year and some change. So I'm just going to be showing you guys like my kitchen, my common area, but most importantly and most beautifully, my room. I am very clean, and I like really nice things, you know, kind of posh. So my room scheme is gray, white, and rose gold, with rose gold, kind of like a pink rose gold. And you can see the layout. And then I of course have my salon chair because I do hair in my apartment as well. And the paintings, one of them is from Jaja Bean and the other one is from Ross. I'm going to leave their names in the description box down below. So this is just a quick video of what my room looks like. If you guys want to know where I got some of the things, just ask me what it is in the description box and I'll get back to you. And the other painting that I just showed is from this girl in Texas named Dio, and she's so creative. Like, God has definitely blessed her in creating art, scriptures and stuff like that. And then I also just arranged my things color coded in my closet. So I have like the red, the neutrals, the yellow, the whites, etc. And I also have a clothing rack which was full before, but I started to decompose my stuff almost and just put some things away that I don't need. So usually like my furs and stuff is what I leave on my rack. And that little flower thing, I literally made that. It was $3. I got flowers from the dollar store along with the rocks and the vase, and I just made it, and you know, DIY type stuff. And then no, I do not use those brushes. Everyone always asks me that. This is my bathroom. My bathroom, I love it. It's huge. As you can see, it's following the scheme of the rest of my room. So the gray, you know, royal type Paris feel, and of course God is all things are possible God. So I put God basically everywhere I can in my room, just to make me remember his presence in the morning. I love going into my bathroom, not going to the bathroom, just because it's just so grayscale-ish, you know. So that's basically it. This is my room from my upper view. And if you guys have any questions about how I decorated what, please let me know. And as you can see, I love pillows. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and have a blessed one. Bye bye.